Hey everyone! Welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to enable BitLocker on a USB drive on a Windows PC. Insert the USB drive on your computer. Right-click on the USB drive and click Turn on BitLocker. Select Use a password to unlock the drive, and enter a strong password. Alternatively, you can use a smart card if available. Click Next. Save BitLocker recovery key. Click Next. Select encryption mode. Choose Encrypt use disk space only, faster, or Encrypt entire drive, more secure. Click Next. Choose encryption method. Click Next. Click Start encrypting and wait for the process to complete. The duration depends on the size of the drive and the amount of data. Check BitLocker recovery key and copy to USB drive. Now try to open USB drive by using the unlock password. The USB drive opened successfully. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.